This year, we see the Mana digital money turning into a top gainer many weeks. There is nothing unexpected. All things considered, Decentraland is one of the stars of the play to acquire pattern, which became famous in 2021 on the cryptographic money market. How is the venture growing now? And what could we at any point anticipate from the cost of the in-game Mana token? We should sort it out. Decentraland is a metaverse based on the Ethereum blockchain. The undertaking was laid out by the Decentraland establishment back in 2015. Thus, you can see that this game has been available for quite a while. The group held an ICO in 2017 and effectively raised around 90,000 ETH. Nonetheless, the computer-generated experience stage was open to the public simply in 2020. Decentraland clients can trade land things while partaking in the game and connection. It resembles a web-based game. Nonetheless, it centers around friendly and monetary connections among clients and not on the actual interactivity. Clients convey, go to addresses, open stores, and investigate the world and new articles in it. Doesn't it help you to remember anything? This is Minecraft of a decentralized world. All land in Decentraland is partitioned into 90,000 bundles called packages. The underlying size of one bundle was 10 by 10 meters of in-game space. In February 2019, the local area led a vote. Just later, the size of each package was expanded to 16 by 16 meters. Each package is an ERC-721 token, land. Other than packages, there are streets and squares in the realm of Decentraland. Clients can't get it on the grounds that no one but engineers can make objects on them. Streets are required for clients to explore the virtual world. The courts are points of fascination for clients, recreational areas, and data zones. The nearer the land is to the streets and courts, the more costly it is. The region around Focal Court is the most costly, very much like the Focal Park property in New York. Decentraland Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Decentraland costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Decentraland will be 89 cents. The most extreme level that the Mana cost can reach is $1.07. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 91 cents. Possible return for capital invested. 69.8% by Mana value estimate for January 2023 in view of the value changes of Decentraland toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical Mana pace of 66 cents in January 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 60 cents and at 68 cents. Separately, possible return for capital invested. 9.5% by February 2023. Decentraland value figure digital money specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the Mana cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 65 cents, while the greatest could reach 71 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Decentraland may be around 68 cents. Possible return for capital invested. 14.3% by Mana value conjecture for WALK 2023. Crypto examiners have actually taken a look at the value variances of Decentraland in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Mana rate they anticipate may be around 70 cents in WALK 2023. It can drop to 68 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 74 cents. Possible return for capital invested. 19% by April 2023. Decentraland value figure around mid-year 2022. The Mana cost will be exchanged at 72 cents by and large. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Decentraland worth to 77 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 69 cents in April 2023. Expected return for money invested. 23.8% by Mana value gauge for May 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Decentraland costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, 74 cents. The least and pinnacle Mana rates may be 71 cents and 81 cents. Possible return for capital invested. 30.1% by June 2023. Decentraland value figure crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Mana cost will be around 76 cents. In June 2023, the Decentraland cost might drop to at least 73 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 85 cents in June 2023. Possible return for money invested. 36.5% by Mana value estimate for July 2023. Having dissected Decentraland costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Mana rate could arrive at a limit of 88 cents in July 2023. It may, in any case, drop to 75 cents. For July 2023, the determined normal of Decentraland is almost 78 cents. Possible return for money invested: 41.3% by August 2023. Decentraland value figure around mid-2022. The Decentraland cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 80 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in August 2023, the mana cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of 77 cents and 92 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment: 47.6% by mana value estimate for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Decentraland worth won't dip under at least 81 cents. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is 95 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 83 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment: 52.4% by October 2023. Decentraland value conjecture: digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of mana costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their gauge is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Decentraland will be around 99 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 83 cents. In October 2023, the normal expense will be 87 cents. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 86 cents and at $1.04 individually. Likely return for money invested: 65.1% by December 2023. Decentraland value conjecture: digital currency specialists are prepared to report their figure for the mana cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 89 cents, while the most extreme could reach $1.07 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Decentraland may be around 91 cents. Likely return for capital invested: 69.8% by Decentraland value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Decentraland in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Decentraland will be around $1.27. The greatest expected mana cost might be around $1.58. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.31 in 2024. Decentraland value expectation 2025 in light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Decentraland. In 2025, mana is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $1.80 and $2.18 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $1.85. Decentraland value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Decentraland and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base mana cost could drop to $2.54, while its most extreme can reach $3.12. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $2.61. Decentraland value expectation 2027 in view of the examination of the expenses of Decentraland by crypto specialists. The accompanying greatest and least mana costs are normal in 2027, $4.43 and $3.77. Overall, it will be exchanged at $3.87. Decentraland value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the changes of Decentraland. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical mana cost will be around $5.79. It could drop to at least $5.64. However, it actually could reach $6.50.